69 divided by 3. The first thing I'm going to do is write it out under its bus stop. There's my 69 and the 3 is driving the bus. And the second thing I'm going to do is write out my 3 times table, the first 5 multiples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So thinking big, each of these times 10 would be 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. And these are the numbers we're going to use to solve the division. We're looking for a number amongst these multiples that's close to 69 but without going over. So if I look through here, the closest number I have to 69 is 60. So I shall write that under here. 60 is made by multiplying 3 20 times. So we'll write that over there. Let's see what the remainder is. 9 take away 0 is 9. 6 take away 6 is 0. The remainder is 9. I'm looking for a number as close to 9 as possible without going over. And if I look through these numbers, I see that there is a 9 there. And to make 9, I use 3 lots of 3. So I'll put my 3 over here. 3 times 3 is 9. What's the remainder? 9 take away 9 is nothing. I've reached 0, so I've finished. Now I need to add up how many 3's I used to make 69. So add these together and it gives me 23. The answer is 23. I can check that by quickly doing a 3 times 23. 3 3's are 9, 3 2's are 6. That is the same as that, so that is correct. Let's try another. "48 divided by 2. First of all, I'm going to write it out as a bus stop sum. 48 in the bus stop, 2 driving the bus. Now I want my first 5 multiples of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we'll have 10 times those numbers as well, which will enable us to do the sum much more quickly. I'm looking for a number as close to 48 as possible without going over. And if I look through here, I have the number 40, so I'll use that. That's the closest I've got because the next number goes over. To make 40, I times 2 by 20. 20 times 2 is 40, so my 20 goes over there. Now let's see what the remainder is. 8 take away 0 is 8. 4 take away 4 is nothing. I'm looking for a number as close to 8 as possible without going over. And over here, I see I have 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Let's see what the remainder is. 8 take away 8 is nothing. We've finished. Now I add up how many 2's I've used to make 48. Nothing add 4 is 4, 2 and nothing is 2. The answer is 24. And I can check that by quickly doing 24 times 2. 2 4's are 8, 2 2's are 4. 48, 48. That's correct. Let's try another one. "57 divided by 3. Step 1, write out the bus stop. Step 2, first 5 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And then I want 10 times each of these. I'm looking for a number as close to 57 as possible without going over. 60 is the closest number I have, but it's over 57, it's too big. So I'm going to go to 30. Now to make 30, we use 10 times 3. So I'll write my 10 over here. What's the remainder? 7 take away 0 is 7. 5 take away 3 is 2. I'm looking for a number as close to 27 as possible without going over. The closest number I've got is 30, but that's too high. So I'm going to use 15. And to make 15, I've used 5 3s. So let's see what the remainder is. 7 take away 5 is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. I've got 12 remainder. I'm looking for a number as close to 12 as possible without going over. And I've got 12 there. To make 12, I use 4 times 3. What's the remainder? Well, 12 take away 12 is nothing, so I've finished. Add up how many 2s I've used. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The answer is 19. Just check, 19 times 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. 57. 57 is correct. Try one last one. "76 divided by 2. Write out the bus stop and the first 5 multiples. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 times each of these numbers. I'm looking for a number as close to 76 as possible without going over. 80 is the closest number I've got, but it's too high, so I'm going to use 60. 3 2s are 6, so 32s are 60. Put my 30 over here. Let's see what the remainder is. 6 take away nothing is 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. I'm looking for a number as close to 16 as possible without going over. 5 2s are 10. What's the remainder? 6 take away nothing is 6. 1 take away 1 is nothing. I'm looking for this number, or as close as possible without going over. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. What's the remainder? I've finished. Add them up to see how many there were. 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. The answer is 38, and let's check that. 38 times 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6, add 1 is 7. 76, 76, 38 is correct.